Hey guys, Matty here again from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. This toilet behind us has been causing some issues for the customer, so we've opted to replace it today just due to the age and the quality. So stay with us, we'll show you the process, get the new one in. So the customer's opted for the Posh soulless round. Great product. Again, this is from Reese Plumbing, where we get all our supplies. So let's get it done. Alrighty guys, there you have it. That is the ensuite toilet, last of the fit off for today. We have also done the main bathroom, give you a better shot, so great product. This is the Posh link suite. We replaced the flexible hose and the stop tap just as a part of the service. So we've also gone ahead, replaced this customer's hot water cylinder today, and yeah, done a free plumbing inspection. So if you're looking to get any fixtures, tapware installed, anything plumbing related, give the experts a call.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.